Here are 3 Easter eggs that you probably missed in Rebuild the Galaxy. The main character's name is Sib Greebling. In LEGO talk, a Greebling is lots of little details added to a flat surface to make it more visually appealing. Jedi Bob's full name is Jedi Bobarian Avol. Avol stands for Adult Fans of LEGO. And finally, I'd like to give a huge shout out to DarthCK5066 for letting me know about one of the best Easter eggs in the comments of my last video. The origin of the Jedi Vader suit is from an alternate universe Star Wars comic called Star Wars Infinities, in which he survived the second Death Star and helped Luke and Leia search for the Emperor. I'd highly recommend the series if you're a fan of the original trilogy.